Welcome to the English podcast with Lina. Hello, dear friend. This is Lina. Welcome back to your gentle English space. Today I have a small story for you. And after the story, we will practice English together. Shadowing, repeat after me, and little smiles too. Are you ready? The story, A Morning Without Coffee. This morning I woke up at 7 a.m. My eyes were sleepy. My hair was crazy. I walked to the kitchen and I opened the coffee jar. But oh no, no coffee. Nothing. Just air. I stood there, holding my empty mug. My brain said, "No coffee, is this a dream?" I said, "This is a disaster." I checked the shelf. I checked the bag. I checked inside the fridge. Why, I don't know. There's never coffee in the fridge. I looked outside. It was raining. A soft, lazy rain. I put on my big sweater and walked to the store. The street was wet. The air smelled like clouds. I saw a little cat under a chair. It looked at me like, "No coffee, me too." At the store, I found the last bag of coffee. Victory! I walked home like a hero. I made a hot cup. I sat by the window. Sip. Peace. Sometimes small disasters become tiny adventures. That is life. Shadowing practice, repeat. After Lina, I woke up late this morning. I had no coffee in the kitchen. I walked to the store in the rain. I saw a cat under a chair. I bought the last bag of coffee. I made a cup and felt happy. Vocabulary in context. Jar. A glass container. I opened the coffee jar. Disaster. A very bad moment. No coffee. Disaster. Fridge. A cold box for food. I checked the fridge. Lazy rain. Soft and slow rain. The rain was lazy. Victory. A small win. I found the last coffee. Victory. Sip. To drink a little. I took a sip. Hero. Someone brave. I walked home like a hero. Adventure. A fun or surprising experience. Shelf. A place to keep things. Mug. A big cup for tea or coffee. Practice questions. What time did Lina wake up? Was there coffee in the kitchen? What was the weather like? What animal did Lina see? What did she feel after drinking coffee? Call to action. You did a great job today. You listened, laughed maybe, and practiced English. Now it's your turn. Repeat 3 sentences from today. Tell someone your morning story in English. And don't forget to check your coffee jar. Click subscribe and come back tomorrow. I shall be here with coffee. Hopefully.